Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to reduce the WhatsApp media storage without deleting the chats, and you are looking out how to do so, you can follow up these process for that. So go to your WhatsApp application for that, and once you access your WhatsApp, look out for the settings by tapping on the three dot in the top right corner. After that, go ahead and access your settings. Once you access your settings, you can go over to the section for storage and data and go ahead and tap on it. And within storage and data, it will show you a breakdown of the storage by chat with categories. So you can look out for those. And what you can do is you can just go over and tap on those. So you can tap on manage storage. And within here, you will just go over and delete the unnecessary files. So you can look out for the categories such as forwarded or something like that. And you can tap on individual chats to even see specific files, how much they have contained the storage. After that, you can just go over and delete those, and you can tap on this option called manage downloads as well. And you can just go over and delete by selecting the downloads or anything from the section. This is one of the way possible, and that should reduce the WhatsApp media storage without deleting the chats. Apart from that, what we can do is we can prevent the new media from automatically saving to your phone. That will stop the storage from filling up in the future. So go to WhatsApp once again and look out for the settings at the top by tapping on the three dot and select the settings. And within settings, go to storage and data and tap on it. And from there, look out for the media auto download section. So if you find the option of media auto download, this one right here, you can just go over and tap on each and select the option of none so that whenever you are connected to Wi-Fi or anything in the future, the media won't be downloaded onto your device, and do so. Apart from that, at last you can even clear the cache for WhatsApp. So hold the WhatsApp and go to the info. And from the info, you can just go over and scroll down and go to storage and tap on it. And look out for the clear cache option and clear the cache for your WhatsApp media. Also clear the data if necessary. And that's it. Probably these are the solutions you can follow up to reduce the WhatsApp media storage without deleting them. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.